Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. A couple showers and thunderstorms rolling across parts of the bluegrass now as we continue into this evening. Took us from the upper 80s to the upper 70s. That rain cool there putting us at 79 in Lexington. We've got some lingering cloud cover that could drop a little bit of light rain on you as we continue through. Heat indices before we had that rain come in pushed into the low 90s. You can still see it in some spots there to the south where these chances for rain showers hasn't quite made it to yet. We're tracking those now for you here, and you can see a couple of isolated thunderstorms in the mix. We had one severe warning in central Kentucky that's now moved on. We've got this weak little line that has some lightning and thunder and some brief downpours to it. Now entering Nicholasville and heading right down 75 towards Richmond. So we're going to continue to watch for some of the small hail and some heavy downpours. With that, the severe threat pretty low. In fact, level 1 risk stays mainly in eastern Kentucky where the cold front has a little bit more push to it. But for the most part, a couple of stray showers are going to continue for us here this evening. You'll see that as this cold front continues to drift by, the main severe threat is off to the north and east, and we'll get rid of those chances here as we head deeper into the evening. Watch here as Futurecast comes through, showing that cold front coming in, still suggesting some spotty rain chances or a few isolated thunderstorms developing with that line. Not going to be a whole lot else coming our way. Overnight tonight in eastern Kentucky, maybe a few more thunderstorms, and then we wake up to clear sky and sunshine the rest of the day tomorrow. It's going to be a nice summer day on Saturday. That cold front takes those dew points and washes them out, keeps those temperatures in the mid-80s. But on Sunday for Father's Day, the heat wave begins, and we're talking about triple-digit feels-like temps in the mix for a good chunk of next week. So tomorrow, mostly sunny, 85, but on Sunday, it's back to the low 90s as the heat wave starts. That 93 probably feels closer to 95 or 96 with where those dew points are going. Sweaty underbottoms meter comes into play for us here. If you know, you know. We're talking about needing a lot of Gold Bond, and it might not even help you at that point. These dew points are getting tropical. Things are going to be sweaty, and it is not going to be fun for us here as we go into next week. Dangerous heat, in fact. Be serious about the matter. Low 90s for us every day next week and even into the weekend. No end in sight on that with the muggy meter going oppressive at times. 100 plus could be dangerous for us. Got to remember to stay hydrated and, of course, take breaks. We've got all the typical summertime feels coming your way over the next 7 days. On top of that, we got a daily thunderstorm chance in the mix. Once we start getting this hot, the atmosphere kind of bubbles up like a boiling pot of water. And you can see at any point during the day a couple of pop-up storms, much similar to what we have today. There's just not going to be any front moving through to get those going. So we're going to keep a close eye on that as we go into next week. This weekend starts great. Dads, if you're getting out and doing anything on Sunday, pack some extra water and make sure you take some breaks. We're going to have that theme all next week. Summer officially starting there for us on Thursday.